Rubik's Cube is easy to solve if you understand how the cube works. First of all, the middle plates or face plates do not move, they just rotate. So we can concentrate on solving the edges and the corner pieces. I'll move the edges and the corner pieces back in position so we can start. I will now show you how to rotate 3 edge pieces. These 3 edge pieces will switch places with a simple 4-move sequence. I will now redo the sequence twice to rotate the pieces back in original position. As you can see, the edge pieces are in place, but the corner pieces are not. I will now redo the sequence 3 times to put all pieces back in original position. The same sequence can be done mirrored, in case we need to move the pieces to the other direction. I will now do the mirrored sequence altogether 6 times to show you how it works and restore the original position of all pieces. There is another pair of sequences to move 3 corner pieces. In this sequence, the white corner will move upwards, the orange corner will move across, and the blue corner will move to the left. Only the 3 corner pieces were affected by this sequence. I will now redo the sequence twice to restore all pieces in the original position. As you can see, all other pieces were in their original position the whole time. The mirrored version of this sequence will move white corner downwards, the blue corner across, and the orange corner to the left. The second time, orange corner will move downwards, the red corner across, and the white corner to the left. The third time, white corner will move downwards, another white corner across, and the last white corner left, completing the cube. We have now all 4 needed sequences. It is time to shuffle the cube. To start solving the cube, I need to complete a so-called cross to the one of the faces using edge pieces. I'll start to solve the cube's white face. It is important to match the colors of the first cross with the centerpieces of connecting faces. As you can remember, the centerpieces do not move, they just rotate. The cross is now complete and the edge pieces match perfectly with the connecting faces. I will now flip the cube. As this is the yellow face, I will first concentrate on the edge pieces which are not yellow. I will move 3 of them to build a belt around the cube in the middle layer. As you can see, the bottom cross is unaffected by the edge rotate sequence. The bottom cross is still unaffected. The next part is to build a T-shape to the yellow face. Exactly 2 of the 3 pieces in the T-shape need to be aligned with the connecting edge pieces. The order is blue, orange, green. And the trick is that the last color, green, should not match. But the green matched as well. This is solved by rearranging the T-shape in a way that the first two colors are red and blue. I now have all except the 3 edge pieces in place. These 3 pieces will be rotated until the cross of the yellow face is complete. Then it is just a matter of rotation to complete all edge pieces, creating the so-called cage. It is now time to utilize the corner move sequences. This is, in my opinion, the most interesting part of solving the cube. I need to use some time to find which corners are suitable for moving. In this case, there are 2 blue corners in good position. I will first do a safe move before the real sequence to prevent it from ruining the position of the other blue corner. When the sequence is ready, I will simply undo the safe move and continue to the next sequence. The third blue corner is now available to be solved. Another safe move needs to be done before the corner move sequence. It is now time to move the green corner in place. As the other affected corners are not yet solved, there is no need for a safe move. We now have only 4 unsolved corners left. The easiest one to move is the green corner. What am I thinking? Quick undo. In this case, I need to do a safe move to position one of the unsolved corners to be part of the corner move sequence. Once the safe move has been undone, the green corner will move to its final destination. I now have only 3 corners unsolved. If I can solve 2 corners, the third one will be automatically solved. The yellow corner moves across. I need to do a safe move to position the other corner on the yellow face, green, to the corner where the yellow will arrive. Once the corner move sequence is done, I will simply undo the safe move and the whole cube is solved. All this by using just 4 move sequences.